Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video of a failure. That is very unusual and that was already driving us crazy. It was a failure beyond our control. I explain. They brought us a Ford Kuga motor 2.0T and the problem this car had is that when you were driving the engine overheated and the engine failure fault came out, then the vehicle was limited. We tested it, brought it to the workshop and these faults came out, P2463. Soot accumulated in the diesel particulate filter, present, and the P242F, restriction of the diesel particulate filter, ash accumulation, present. So, first of all, we tried to do a forced regeneration, but it would not leave the car, so, what we did was first to check that the pressure tubes that reached the differential pressure sensor were correct and that the differential pressure sensor worked well, so we disassembled the diesel particulate filter that was very clogged. We took it to a company. By the way, this filter was not the original one, they had already changed it some time ago. We took it to a company and the company told us that it had to be completely restored, because it could not be cleaned due to the amount of accumulated ash. Well, they give us another diesel particulate filter and we install it in the car. And after 5 seconds we get these same faults again. Then you think you may have missed something. We checked everything and we couldn't find the fault, but the colleague, you remembered that 2 years ago we had this same problem in another car. What was the problem? Look. This is the anti-particle filter that they brought. Here you see the entrance, because it has soot. You can see it there, but you will see that the gas exit, look, it had been working for a few hours and it is clean. Here they hardly came out gases, of course. The problem here was a defect in this piece, so we called the company that had brought it to us. They took it away, they did pressure tests on it and indeed, this filter was defective and barely allowed the gases to escape. They brought us another one, to which they had previously done pressure tests, and I say, that they could do it to all of them before, but well. And with the other one already installed the problem was solved. We delivered the car to the customer and it's gone no problem, okay? I already said, that they are things outside of us. But sometimes they happen and when they happen you can go a little crazy. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.